Well, today we're going to say goodbye to West Ealing. Bye-bye, West Ealing. I'll take a picture of it because it's best to take a picture of your phone as much as you can when you're at West Ealing station. As it's been a brilliant day seeing all the trains. Voila, West Ealing. Going to take a ride on the train. Take me back to London Paddington. Going to Paddington. This is from Hayes Harlington to London Paddington. Number 23 again. 23 had a quick turnaround. So 23 was running between Paddington and Hayes Harlington today. So we are train researchers. TfL Rail is still going strong for me. I like these trains because they've got more space to one round, and it's got clean defenceless air on it. And there we go.
West Ealing. This is a TfL Rail service to Paddington. Next station, Ealing Broadway.
Yeah. Oh, lovely trains, aren't they?
This is a TfL Rail service to Paddington. Next station, Ealing Broadway.
Oh, that's one.
Change for Central, District and National Rail services.
Yeah, there's another 387 going away. Let's have some fun under these trains. This is the speed limit I set on my phone. This is the speed limit I downloaded on my phone. Shows you what speed limit the train's going up to.
Next station, Ealing Broadway.
Now it's going to slow down to 40.
Please have your tickets ready for the automatic ticket barriers. Mind the gap between the train and the platform.
Oh, hello, man. Hello, sweet.
Ealing Broadway. This is a TfL Rail service to Paddington.
Yes.
This is a TfL Rail service to Paddington. Next station, Paddington. Change for Bakerloo, Circle, District, Hammersmith and City and National Rail services. To help keep you safe while travelling on TfL Rail, we have enhanced cleaning regimes in place on trains and stations, and hand sanitizer available in our ticket halls. Please also wear your face covering when you're on the train and travelling through the station.
There we go, underpass. Hooray! It's fun. This one feel like to go fast. 5 miles an hour.
To be honest, I think it's a very strong line.
This is where the recent site, the former line east joint, the former Heathrow and Euro Common, where it used to be, now no longer there now. Now, we did have an opening day. The site, now all the TfL trains are parked up in their depots now. That's going to be part of the Crossrail project. The Crossrail has been long, demanding rate. There we go. Oh, 80 miles an hour. It went in the underpass bit, I liked it. I want to use this thing so I can find out what the speed of this train was doing. I think it was a wedding day. Yeah, there's this image just like the ones of the company. Oh yeah, man. So keep on singing, keep on singing, everybody singing along. Yeah, the former car lights are no longer used anymore now on the underground now. And there's no longer steam trains can't use the underground now.
So dolphins swimming, whales swimming,
Next station, Paddington, where this train terminates. The centre door may not open on this carriage. The centre door will not open on this carriage. Please have your tickets ready for the automatic ticket barriers.
See, it's automatically me.
Mind the gap between the train and the platform.
I buy something like that. Just like, I feel like I'm on Still speak to yeah, video call me.
Maybe just. That's one for free. That's one I saw earlier. Oh, that's a key workers carry train I'm looking for. Yeah, look at that all day. It tells you when the door's locked. Quite unique, these carriages. There it is. Just all white, all grown-ups. I can't understand them. Thank you.
Unattended luggage can cause unnecessary security risks.
But glad to see this. Thank you to all the key workers. And now the train's going back the way it came again. Just want to go to the front so I can get one of the side, carry train to the back. So yeah. Yeah. My mum didn't understand at all. I bet, I mean, didn't understand about that stupid men. Yep, there he goes. Thanks to the train.